Alright, hello. Odd Job Doer here. And what we got today is a magic set from Melissa and Doug. This is the Deluxe set. It's for about ages 8 plus. Professional tricks for the beginner. Most of the pieces are made of solid wood, as with most of Melissa and Doug's toys and whatnot. And so this one here is called the Money Maker. And so you have this little wooden bowl here. A little shallow bowl here. Has a nice build to it, nice solid feel to it. And how the trick goes is something like this. You say that you're at a toll booth and you need $1 for entry. And you're like, well, I don't got $1. I have a quarter, though. So you take your quarter, put it in the bowl there, and then you just take it and pour out the quarter, and there you go. So your 1/4 turns into 4. And yep, that's about it. It's a quick trick. If you know how to do it, don't post anything about it. Keep the secrets. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like this magic trick or other ones, maybe give me some suggestions. Odd Job Doer, thanks for watching.